What are you doing? What are you doing? That wasn't an invitation to go behind the sofa now, was it? Was it, little terror? And that is why you cannot leave a parrot out in the house. Because they're like 2 year old children, curious about everything. And they want to go down the back of the sofa. Like literally all the time. All the time with their tail up. Tia. Tia, I see your tail up. Put your tail down. Put your tail down. Naughty. Naughty, naughty. Tia. Tia. Stop it. Crazy girl. Crazy girl. Cheers. She's a nutter. Crazy girl. What are you doing? Stop, stop, stop. Don't break things. Don't break things. Don't break things. Don't break things. Don't do it.